Hey everybody, Chris here from the Proto team, and today I want to show you how to save time when designing in SolidWorks by using custom keyboard shortcuts. So if you're utilizing your own CAD software to design parts and enclosures, efficiency is always going to be at the forefront of your mind. Shaving off precious minutes with shortcuts not only speeds up the design process, but also allows for more time for creativity and iteration, ensuring that your end product is nothing short of perfect. The beautiful thing about a program like SolidWorks is that it's completely customizable, from the background color, icons, menu settings, all the way down to your keyboard shortcuts. It empowers users to create a personalized workflow that aligns with their specific needs and working style. Keyboard shortcuts are a function or command within SolidWorks that lets you control the basic functions from a single input on the keyboard. Commands in the program will be instant when the key is pressed, rather than having to filter through all the menu items or tabs to try and find that intended command. This feature will ultimately reduce the dependency of having to use your mouse too. Less time moving your mouse and searching the menus, the quicker your product design is finalized. So first, let's look at how to set up your own personalized shortcuts in SolidWorks. You will want to go up top to the wheel icon and click Customize. Once inside this dialog, you can see that there are many options available to you. The keyboard shortcuts and mouse gestures are where you're going to gain the most amount of efficiency. So let's take a look at some very simple keyboard shortcuts that we find very useful. Sketch. This is one of the most common tools you're going to be using in SolidWorks if you're designing parts and enclosures from scratch. Every good design starts with a sketch. Let's map this function to the S on my keyboard. So let's look at how to do that. Once in SolidWorks, let's make sure that we are in part mode. From here, up top on your wheel icon, click on Customize. Scroll over to Keyboard, and from here you can find the sketch command or just search for it in the bar. We're going to set Insert Sketch to the letter S by clicking the shortcut field and then clicking S. Another one that you'll be using quite often is Edit Sketch. Let's follow the same process now and set Edit Sketch to the letter E on our keyboard. Another frequent function to shortcut is Dimension. Let's follow the same process now and set Dimension to the letter D on our keyboard. And lastly, another command that you'll be using a lot is for measuring. Let's add M as our shortcut that allows us to easily switch and flow between different parts and assemblies within SolidWorks or other programs to measure without having to miss a beat. You can see how simple and easy this is to customize your own shortcuts to ensure that your workspace is set up for your style of designing. Now, while these keyboard shortcuts will surely improve your time from concept to finished design, remember that Proto is always by your side with even more ways to optimize your workflow. Explore our full suite of design tools, including Proto Designer, our own in-house CAD design software that's designed to save you even more time from concept to completion. With Proto it's all about making the complex simple, so you can focus on what truly matters, turning your visionary ideas into real-world innovation. So that's it for today's tech tip. If you do enjoy this type of content, please give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you are ready to get your next project quoted, get in touch with your Proto account manager. You can do so by filling out the online inquiry form on the Contact Us section of our website, or you can just email us at info@protocase.com. Thanks again, and we'll see you again next time.